ball just off the edge. I've got a little bit of fairway and into the fringe and then the green. So I want to show that all of your clubs can be used here. I think sometimes we're talking about before that you only putt or you only chip, or you only have one way of doing it. So I think when you utilize all of your clubs, it's really good. So this ball here, I've got a little bit of a sand patch in front of me. I don't know if you can see that on camera. Putting doesn't make a lot of sense in this one because I'm not sure how it's going to come over it. So I'm going to go with something a little bit more lofted on this one. And I'm actually going to hit it up onto the green here. So from this position, I'm going to take this sort of a little bit of funny patch out of the equation and just chip it on. And then that'll just sort of come up there. It's not a bad little position. Now, the second one here, it's actually in a little sandy divot, so I really am not sure how it's going to come out either. So I have, and I'm just exaggerating here, this is my 3-wood. And I'm going to grip down my 3-wood, and I'm just going to putt it. The great thing about the 3-wood, it's got this nice flat bottom, same as a hybrid, so it slides along the grass so easily. So when we're playing this little shot, it really is just coming out like a putt. It's very long, so you'll notice I'm kind of a bit open. This is sticking out this way. I couldn't really have it in right in the middle. And I'm gripping all the way down onto the graphite. And then I'm just going to figure out the break here and just hit a little putt forward. So real easy shot. It was sitting in kind of this little divot, but at least I give myself a chance to make it. And then a little bit easier. So I've got a good lie. It's not bad. There's still a few things in the way. I could just go with maybe a little 8-iron, 7-iron seam, just a little putting stroke. I'm just going to find a nice landing spot out in front of me here and just sort of putt it forward. The club will then do all of the work. And the last thing, a really simple one, is we've all got this one in our bag. Ball's not sitting great. You're not sure how it's going to react. Just take putter. Set up, pick the right line, and hit it. Now, generally people will always say, a putt is always better than a chip for most people. If you get comfortable using these different clubs, I think you'll probably find that one of them might be better than the other, but it'll really build out your skill profile and allow you to hit any shot under any circumstance. Okay, so here's a little situation that we've been faced with. We've hit a really good shot in. It's just run through here because it's downwind. Now we're going back into the wind. There's a ridge here